Senator on detaining women who are giving birth children in hospitals, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the children who are being detained in hospitals are not any different from the children who are being detained in the Middle East, Mr. Speaker. Because the ones in the Middle East are with their mothers on the street and they can't go back home. The ones detained in hospitals here in Kenya are detained in hospital and cannot go back with their mothers back home, Mr. Speaker. This statement calls for a conversation, we as leaders, to rethink on how we are handling this matter, because it is serious as raised by the Senator for Tharaka Nithi, Mr. Speaker, because these are the future of this country. Detaining women who are in their most vulnerable state in hospital for such a time. There have been so many exposés which have been made by the media previous days, but nothing much has happened. You know, Mr. Speaker, when you look at this picture, sometimes detaining someone who is sharing beds, sometimes guards are manning the doors for the women not to go out, just because they are poor and not able to finance their health care, Mr. Speaker. This is a conversation we need to rethink seriously. And I thank Senator Mofaya for bringing this statement, because it gives a picture of what ordinary Kenyans out there go through, Mr. Speaker. I thank you.